I do a lot of things to keep myself feeling healthy, but the simplest things are often the best because they're easy to implement every day. Water with lemon essential oil is one of those things that I love to do every morning, or actually anytime throughout the day whenever I feel like it, because it just tastes so darn good. You want to make sure that you're staying away from plastic containers when you use lemon oil, because lemon is actually a really powerful cleaner and it can melt the plastic. So stick with glass, ceramic, or stainless steel. All you have to do is take a drop or two of therapeutic grade essential oil in some water, and that's it. And if you want to learn more about essential oils or the best quality water, you can check out my other videos. The cleansing properties of lemon are really powerful, so you can actually use it as a cleaning solution for your house, but when you drink it, it helps cleanse the inside of your body too. Lemon oil helps calm our stomach, aid in digestion, and help with weight management. Drinking this kind of reminds me of the lemonade stands I used to have when I was a kid, only using lemon oil and water is way easier than squeezing all those lemons to make lemonade. So try this with me. Cheers. If you enjoyed the music playing in this video, then you're not alone. It has some great healing elements that you can learn more about on my Karen Atkins music channel. So subscribe there, and I'll see you soon.